Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. Hope you enjoyed last recipe video of the quick and easy breakfast. If you haven't watched it, we highly recommend that you do. We're including a link to that video in the description below. Before we get into today's video, we would like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you are notified when we upload a new video every week. In today's video, we will show you how to make a dish that we have all ordered when getting Chinese takeout. I'm talking about the famous egg drop soup. Let's go over the ingredients that you will need. 5 eggs, 2 cups of veggies of choice. I'm using the frozen veggie mix. 5 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. 5 teaspoons of cornstarch. Half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Let's cook. For this recipe, I'm using my Dutch oven pot. We will boil 6 cups of water in the pot and add the chicken bouillon. Alternatively, you can just use chicken or vegetable broth. Once the bouillon is well incorporated, you will add your veggies. Once they've cooked for a few minutes, you will add your white pepper and turmeric and mix until well incorporated, so there are no lumps of the spices. In a separate bowl, you will prepare the cornstarch mixture with equal parts cornstarch and water and mix until there are no more lumps, and add that to your broth. You will bring the broth to a boil. Now it's time to add the whisked eggs. In order to add the eggs, you will want to lower the heat to medium-low. Slowly pour the egg mixture around the pot to create the beautiful ribbons of eggs that egg drop soup is known for. Once you've added the eggs, mix gently and bring the soup to boil one more time. Once boiled, add a bit of soy sauce. In this case, I'm not adding any salt as the chicken bouillon that I previously added had enough salt. And that is how you make egg drop soup at home. Now I'm going to show you 2 ways to serve it. One of our favorite ways to eat it is served along a bowl of steamed rice. Another way is to cut up some meatballs and add it to the soup. Since this soup already has eggs and vegetables, it's already a meal in itself. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. We would like to remind you to follow us on Instagram. We post daily. If you would like us to recreate one of the meals from our Instagram feed, please let us know. Thank you for watching. Bye!